Hello there, in this video I will teach you how you can download Call of Duty Black Ops on your Windows computer. So first open your browser, search for Steam, go to the first result, install Steam, then this will be the downloaded application. Double click. Next, choose your preferred language and then choose your location where you want Steam to be installed and press the install button. So after you do this process, Steam will look like this. Create an account for the first time and then go to this will be library and go to store, and there will be a search box. Search for Call of Duty Black Ops, search, and then this is a third result, 2010. This is the game, right? Add to cart, view my cart, and continue to payment. You just have to pay for the game. After you completed payment, you will find your game in the library somewhere here, right? Then there will be an install button. Just tap the install button and the game will be installed and you will be able to play the game. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good